Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss in this class these topics. Uh, Topics: pointer definition and pointers constants, pointers value, pointers variable, compatibility. Compatibility in this compatibility sizes, how to store the memory in location variables, different types of variables, and L value and R value. And coming to the first one, pointer definition. Pointer definition is pointer is a constant. Why pointer is a constant means when the variable stored in memory location, each and every variable you have to give memory address. It means that some x value stored in memory location, its memory address is 6500. Its memory address is 6500. The 6500 memory address can't be changed, but variable can be incremented and decremented, but memory address can't be changed. The pointer is a constant or variable that can be contains an address that can be used to access data. Pointer is a constant or variable that contains an address that can be used to access data. It means that when the memory element stored in memory location, you have to access that data using the memory addresses. And next one, pointer constants. Pointer constant is defined as an address in memory. Constant means memory addresses are not be changed in memory locations once the value will be declared. Once the value will be declared, the memory address will be allocated, but the memory address can't be changed. Computers use their memories to store programs and data. Memory is made up of a large number of cells having fixed capacity of storage. Each and every memory can have the large storage. These storages can be divided into small cells. Each cell have fixed capacity storage, and each cell can hold 1 byte of information in computer and has a unique name number of associated with it is called as address, and its information is unique number. When the stored in cells, suppose in a memory 100 cells is there, but each and every cell have the individual memory address and individual memory location is there. The computer address are numbered consequently starting from 0. The last address depending on the memory size. Let us assume the size of memory is 64 KB. In this line, computer address is number is consequently same, can't be changed, but each and memory element stored in starting with 0. It means that memory size is 0, and how to take example, I want to take size is 5. In the size is 5, 6 elements will be stored, but every element starting will be stored with the memory size is 0th location, and the last address depending on the size. If I am taking example is 5, 5 last example is stored in size is 5. But how many elements stored in and that location means 6 elements stored, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 6 elements stored in the memory location. And I'm taking the 64 KB memory size, and 64 memory size can be divided into each and every one 1 KB. The 1 KB can be divided into 1024 bytes. The 1 KB equal to 102 bytes. 224 bytes, and 64 into 1024 bytes equal to 65,536 bytes locations is there. It means that 65,536 cells can be divided into the 64 KB memory. And so here the last address is defining the 65,535 because the memory stored with the 0 pointer value. Whenever we declare a variable, the system allocates an appropriate location to hold the value of the variable somewhere in the memory. It means that when we declare the variable using one data type, it means that I am declaring one variable using data type is int, and the variable name is I. When you initializing the variable to the variable name using the assignment operator, and the assignment operator can be represented as equal to. Whenever we declare a variable, the system allocates an appropriate location to hold the value of the variable in the memory location. Consider the following declaration is int. Int means it is a primitive data type. Int means it stores the integer values. Int have the 2 bytes of memory location, and I equal to 10 and with the semicolon. Every declaration or every value can be end with the semicolon compulsory. Int is a data type, I is the variable name, equal to is the assignment operator, 10 is the variable address variable, and the declaration tells the C compiler to perform the following activities. And int space I equal to 10, I am using the declaring the statement. The statements to perform compiler going the activities. Reserve space in the memory to hold the integer value. When we declare the any variable name, that variable name hold to the data type. I am declaring the data type integer. Integer value can hold the memory space. Associate the name I with the memory location, and that value can be stored in the name of I, variable name I, and store the value 10 at the location. The 10 value stored in the name of I. We can represent I's location in the memory. We can represent I location in the memory. And next one, pointer variables. What is a pointer? Pointer is a constant or to store the address of the variable. When the different types of data types you are using the pointers, and which data type you are using, that data type stores the memory allocation each and every cells. Example, I am using data type char. I am using char in pointers. Each and every memory location can be stored 1 byte of memory location. Suppose I am using integer. Integer stores 2 bytes of memory, and each and every memory location can store 2 bytes of memory. And we can store the address of the variable into the another variable, which is called a pointer variable. Declaration of the pointer variables. Data type means we have to use primitive data types. Asterisk of pointer name. When the pointer using, it represent the asterisk, and with the semicolon compulsory. Initializing of the pointer. Initialization of the pointer. Once a pointer variable has been declared, it can be made to point to a variable using the statement. In the pointer underscore name, it is a pointer name. Equal to means it is assignment operator. Assignment operator means when the right hand side address or elements can be allocated with the left hand side. Ampersand means address and variable and with the semicolon. pointer variable has been can be using the variable statements. Access the value of variable using pointer variable. Accessing the value of a variable using pointer variable. Once a pointer variable has been assigned in the address of a variable, we can access the value of the variable using the pointer. This is done by using the indirection operator asterisk by writing as asterisk pointer underscore name. In this line, when you are assigning or declaring the variable in the memory address, you have to access the variable. When you are accessing the variable using the pointer only. When the pointer using compulsory indirection operator, we have to using that. When the variable stored in memory location, that is the variable access to the again to the programmer, we have to use the programmer indirection operator. And I'm seeing one small programming C program for accessing the value of a variable using pointer variable. How to access the values in variables in pointer variable? Main function, the compiler start with the main function, and int, I'm taking data type is int, variable a equal to 20 comma asterisk of p, and it means that pointer variable, and with the semicolon. Pointer variable p equal to ampersand a, it means that memory address of a. It has, when the a value is 20, can be stored in the p value. When the value of a stored in memory location is 2000, but a value is 20, but a value memory location is 2000. A value is 20, but what is the memory location of a value is 2000, but that memory location stored in p. Printf, the address of a is format specifier u comma p, and printf slash the value of a is percentage of d pointer variable, and with the semicolon. The pointer variable address is 2000, a value is 20. And compatibility. Compatibility means when the size of the variables are stored in pointer memory location. When compatibility can be defined as different types. One is pointer size compatibility. The pointer size compatibility means the size of all pointers is the same. All pointers have same size. Every pointer variable holds the address of one memory location in the computer. Each and every pointer variable can hold memory address, one memory location in a computer. It means that when you are using size is 5. Let's say example is 5. Pointer size is 5. And how many values size is there? 6 sizes is there. One is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 elements stored in the memory location. In 6 elements have one memory address is there, but no address can't be same. The size of the variable that the pointer references can be different. The size of the variable that the pointer references can be different. It takes the attributes of the type being reference. It takes the attributes of the type being reference. Pointer sizes, all pointers have same. Each same means each and every memory location will be same. Example, I am taking integer data type. Integer have 2 bytes of memory location. That's why each and every memory location is same size or same memory location is there. Difference of type compatibility. The second issue in the compatibility is dereference type. This type of the variable that the pointer is referencing. This type of variable that the pointer is referencing. In C, we can't use the assignment operator with the pointers in different types. When you are using different types of variables, we can't use assignment operator in compatibility. Example, a pointer to a car is only compatible with the pointers in the memory location using car. So we can't assign a pointer to character to pointer integer. It means that in 10 memory locations is there. Okay, I'm taking memory size is 10. It means that 11 elements ready to store. Each and every memory I'm using data type is integer. These 10 elements can be stored in integers data type. Integer data type means each and every 10 elements have 2 bytes of memory. Each and every elements have 2 bytes of memory, but these 10 elements have to integer type only but can't be used character type. It means that when you declare integer data type, entire elements using integer data type only. In the middle we can't use character data type. Once again, when you are using assign the variables to the address, once we have to use integer data type, complete the all values assigned with the integer data type only. Can't use character data type. Pointer to void. Void is the main function. It is a data type but not used to assigning the variables. The pointer to void is a generic type that is not associated with a reference type. Pointer to void is a generic type that is not associated with a reference type. Reference type means can't be used different types of data types. It is a compatible for assignment purpose only with all other pointers types. Assignment operator or assignment values can be used pointers type. Syntax of the pointer to void. Void asterisk indirection operator pointer underscore name and with the semicolon. Example, void pointer void and with the semicolon. The next one, casting pointers. The problem of type incompatibility can be solved by using the casting. And before we discuss dereference of the compatibility, the drawbacks are solved in the casting pointers. Incompatibility can be solved by using casting pointers. And the most important topics, L value and R value. L value and R value. In C, an expression is either an L value or an R value. L value expression must be used whenever the object is receiving a value that is being modified. L value means when the values can be used in left side only. R value means either using the right hand side only. in this expression type and comments. When you are using the L value identifier, that is variable identifier. Expression within the square brackets, we are using array indexing. Expression using in the within the square brackets, expression must be already be a L value. Asterisk indirection operator expression using the expression type is dereferenced expression. Dereferenced expression. Expression dot operator name. It is a structure selection. When you are using expression type is expression dot name. That expression used structure selection only. I mean the expression arrow name using expression type. Structure is indirect selection. When you are using function call, if function uses return type by address. Once again, expression type, that expression how to use. I'm using commenter here. When you are using expression type is identifier, that identifier is variable declaration. I'm using expression type is expression within the square brackets, that expression type using array indexing. When you are using open brackets with the expression type, expression must be already be a L value. That means left hand side values can be taken. Indirection operator using expression type dereferenced expression. Dereferenced expression means it is a one of the same size of the pointers. It can't be used different types of the data types. Once we are allocating the variables in a memory location, one data type only using. Different data types can't be used in memory location at a time. Function call. If function uses returns by address, an L value expression must be used whenever the object is receiving a value that is being modified. And example, the following are the L value expressions: a assignment operator and right hand side expression, but the value before that, the variable before that, the left hand side will be accessed. A square brackets, array size is 5, and open bracket defining a pointer variable defining. These are all are the using the left hand side expressions. R value. All expressions that are not L value expressions that can be valid to express the R value. The R value expressions can be used to a copy value for further use, that is examine or copy its L value. When the expression is not satisfying the L value, that satisfy the R value. When the R value expression can be used to copy a value. And this is the section.